Today we're going to take a look at using the Notes app on the iPad to scan and create a PDF of a hard copy document and add it to Google Classroom. First thing we'll do is grab our document, open the Notes app, and if you already have some notes written, you can tap on the New Notes button in the top right hand corner. But now that we are in here, we've got a fresh document, so I'm going to tap on the camera. From here, I'll choose Scan Documents, and I'm going to switch over to Manual View, but you can have it set to Auto. When it's set to Auto, it's using this yellowish overlay will recognize the document and automatically take a picture of it. But I want to make sure that my lighting is right, so I have this set to Manual so that I can get everything just right. When I'm ready, I can go ahead and tap the camera button to scan it. Now it brings it into an editing mode where I can adjust the corners to better line up with the document. So that everything looks just right. So that looks good. I'm going to tap Keep Scan. And now in the bottom right hand corner, I see that there is a Save button. If I had more information that I wanted to scan and attach, so I could flip it over or grab another page, and I could continue to add more pages to this PDF file. But this is just a single page, so we're happy with the way that is. So now I'll tap on the Save button. Here's the scanned document. I can tap to open it. And you'll notice up at the top it actually says Body System Notes because it pulled that title off of the document itself. But I can tap on it and edit the name. And I'm just going to simply add Nervous System. There we go. Tap on Save. Now I have the ability to do some markups on it if I wanted to continue to mark up on it, or I could crop it. So from here, I can tap on the Share button in the top right corner. I'm going to scroll over and find Classroom. This is for science, so we'll be putting it in science. However, you can tap on the right arrow in the banner of the class to choose a different class, but we do want it to be in science. We are going to attach it to an existing assignment. Here we have Notes, Body Systems, Nervous System. Now I'm going to turn it in, hit Turn In. I'm going to go back into Google Classroom, and we should see the document attached and turned in. We expand it, and there we go. Here's our PDF that we just scanned.